Ke-Presiden Jongkeri, Kedupadi Murmu Kalasamia ke Biennial National Grassroots Innovation and Outstanding Traditional Knowledge Award ke Bakatwe, Jongka National Innovation Foundation, Harashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Center Mentakasngi. Kalapli Perdaru ke Tamasa Festival of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Arhajar Arpulai ha Sports Ground ke Bedon Hajan ke RBCC. Habakran hakring program Sam Khusnam ke Presiden Kalaong, bagi patba kari ki betrei ki kam ki beritam ki donya kalat panwan ra ki jengsham ki bakat kum ke jengsat science but technology but ban ai ke jeng syakri ke baphatam ya kari. Ke National Innovation Foundation ke don ke benta ke bakong santam ha ke ban penslur bat pan ai jeng kersyanya kum kini ki riu syampang. Kala penpauru ke jeng so kemen ban yo I baka NIF keladap ban itu lupaya ki shi hajar kendai pulai ngut kum kini kinong syam themai gi betrei ki kambaret bat ye ki khna school hakari ki program ai Khusnam bapher jongka.
Today we are celebrating not just the achievements of innovators but the spirit of creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship. We can see small innovations happening every other day around us. Mothers daily use innovation in making meals for their children. Teachers use creativity in finding new teaching methods, and some fields such as advertising and marketing are very much dependent on creative skills. So we just have to understand and encourage the creativity and innovation which is already present everywhere.